It is officially 6:52 and my husband's awake.
Because the surf is going off.
So I also just got this really good pregnancy pillow, and it like supports the front and the back, and I sleep like heaven. Okay, I guess I'll get up. Little toot. Bye. Alright, I'm all ready for the day, and I just have to show you. Look at this top. I'm probably going to change later, but this has been a staple, and it's by Prozis. I think that's how you say the name. And it's super stretchy, and I've been loving it. Just go to the link down below and you can get yourself some yummy goodies. It's like a one-stop shop, and I love their stuff. So yes, I will probably change though, because it is very cold outside. So fun fact, I have been making sourdough bread lately. This is last night's loaf that I made. I'm gonna give it away to someone today. And I might make another loaf today, so we'll see if I get that on film or not. We'll just see. Don't know why I do this to myself, but seriously, I don't care how cold it is. I will always drink my smoothie and still freeze. So I'm gonna go into yoga, teach right now, and I'm gonna be freezing. Classic. Alright, I'm back home from yoga, and I am going to start the sourdough process. How was the surf?
It was big, but it was choppy and wonky. So we're just gonna hang out until 2 o'clock and then go back.
Alright.
It was fun.
Good. Zeke just noticed something about my belly button because he's obsessed. It tickles.
It moves when you laugh.
Do you like that?
Yeah. It just got really hard. You're gonna have an outie.
Got some work done. Zeke is lifting a house, and then I was helping him edit the pictures and stuff, so that was pretty cool. Zeke is gonna go surf again, so I'm gonna change into something a little bit more comfy for the beach, and I'm gonna just sit on the beach and watch and enjoy. Zeke is so excited. He sees a buck right there. Just strolling around here. Bye, buddy. that make your day?
Yeah, we got beach deer here.
So many stickers. Little Miss Leia, little charger going out. I'm scared. It's so cold now, and they need to come in because we're freezing, and the sun's about to go down.
Now it's far down and under the sea. Like, oh man. Are you cold? I look like Luna.
Alright, right after the beach we went straight to Patches and ate some food. I didn't film any of that, but now we're home and I'm so tired, and then I just realized I still have to finish my sourdough. And it's been rising, so looks really big and fluffy. So I need to finish this and then I can go to bed. The recipe that I use for this particular sourdough bread, I will link below, so you can check that out. But I'm not a pro sourdough maker. I have just been trial and error, and this is the result. Not too bad, I will say, but it tastes good. Finally, the long-awaited bedtime. Yay! Thanks for watching today. And that's all, folks. Going to bed.
See you later.